Here's a Redmi Note 11. I'm going to show you how to insert the micro SD card as well as how to format it while it is in the phone. Okay. So now I have a small 32 gigger, but the max size is actually 1 TB, 1 terabyte. Okay. So I'm just using a small 32 gigger as an example. So let me just put the SIM tray slash SD card tray back into the phone here. So first thing is we need to go ahead and take out this SIM slash SD card tray. Go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool. It does come in your box in this little pamphlet right here. If you just open that up, you got a SIM ejection tool right there, or SD card ejection tool. If you don't have that laying around, you can always use another phone SIM ejection tool, or you can even use like a paper clip or a bobby pin, even the back of a stud earring, as long as the needle part is kind of long and thin. Okay, so now top right hand side is the SIM slash SD card tray. Let's grab your SIM ejection tool. You see a little tiny hole down here. Let's put the needle into the hole, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press towards the phone, and as I press towards the phone, that lip of that tray comes out like a little tiny bit, as you can see right there. So let me just slide this out. I'm going to slide it out just like this. I'm not going to flip it over or anything like that. And this was my SIM one there, and then so here's my SD card, micro SD card right here. I'm just going to put it in just like this, right side up with the letters and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top of there, and I'm just going to lay it there gently. I'm not going to tip it over. If I tip it over, all my cards are going to fall out. So I'm going to leave it just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and slide this in slowly. Slide that in just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and format the SD card. Okay, so now next thing is we just want to go directly to your settings. So go to your settings. Mine is right here, so I'm going to tap on settings, and then after you open up your settings, you want to go to the first one here. It says about phone, so we're going to go ahead and tap on that, and then from here you can see it says storage right here. Okay, so we're going to tap on storage, and now from here we're going to scroll down, and you should see format SD card, erase all data on SD card including songs and photos. So let's tap on that, and then if you want to go ahead and format, tap down here. Don't forget formatting is going to be erasing everything on that SD card. Okay, so I'm going to format SD card right there. See a progress bar right here, so we'll wait about 10-15 seconds. Alright, and then we're going to click SD card. SanDisk SD card is ready. It doesn't matter what brand you have. Okay, I have a SanDisk. You can use Samsung, Kingston, it doesn't matter. And let's click on done here, and voila, we just formatted our SD card. Okay, pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below.